In today's class, we are going to discuss some of the e-commerce applications. First one we have is electronic newspapers. Electronic newspaper or online newspapers refer to newspapers which can be read over the internet using computers, laptops, and mobiles. Due to the increase in the number of mobile users, most of the paper agencies have come up with online version of their printed newspapers, which can be accessed by any user and at any time. These electronic newspapers have some advantages over the printed newspapers. Those are, it gives up-to-date news. One can access latest news from the electronic newspapers. One did not wait for the next morning to receive the printed newspaper. Online news can be accessed anytime. User can also get the online newspaper of the previous date just by mentioning the date on the news site. You can access the news of your hometown by sitting at some other place, city or country by accessing the online version of the local newspaper. Most of the online newspapers are available free of cost, which can be accessed by anyone. Another important advantage of online newspapers is saving of paper. Less usage of paper results in less cutting of trees. Thus, electronic newspapers contribute towards saving environment. Electronic newspapers have the disadvantages too, such as it requires internet connection. For accessing online newspaper, your device should be connected to the internet. Another disadvantage is that while accessing online newspapers, various pop-up advertisements keep appearing on the screen, which will distract the reader, and it requires continuous scrolling to access the news. Online bookshops. Online bookshops is one of the first applications of e-commerce on internet. Online bookshops help us to purchase books online at any time. The large online bookstores need a sophisticated website both to attract and retain the attention of their customers. The facilities of the online bookshop may include a large database of books. Compared to conventional stores, online bookshops have a variety of books. As online bookshops, the details of the books can be displayed in an attractive way, which will include image or picture of the cover, description of the book, which includes page numbers, price of the books, and reviews of other customers. The book can be searched with the help of search engines. The search can be made based on the author's name, title of the book, or the subject. Online bookshops have the following significant advantages. Books can be described well on the internet. Details such as price of the book, description of the book, reviews of the customers who have already bought the book. All this information will help the buyer while purchasing. No too much risk is involved in the online payments. Because of the nominal price of the book, there is less risk while purchasing books compared to expensive products. Books are small items and can be delivered in the customer's letterbox even if the customer is not available at home or at the given address. Next advantage of online bookshop is cost saving. Online bookstores sell at low price compared to conventional stores. Most of the online bookshops offers discount coupons which help customers to save money. Purchasing books at online bookshop is convenient as we need not travel, we need not visit the stores. We can shop books at any time. Online bookshops have greater variety. Conventional stores have limited space to display books. That is not the case in case of online stores. They offer wider variety of books. Online sellers need not have inventory. They can directly contact the suppliers for forwarding the books to the customers. Another benefit of online bookshop is global availability. Books published by the foreign publishers and authors can be ordered through online bookshops. Recommendations and customer feedback help the seller to organize their online bookshop. Reviews given by the customer help the buyer while purchasing the books. Huge discounts are given by the online bookshops compared to the conventional stores. Some online bookshop sites are Amazon.com, indiabookstore.net, buybooks.india.com, sapnaonline.com. Another application of e-commerce is online grocery supply. Buying books and other items of day-to-day life have been made possible through online shopping. The online supermarket is set up to meet the needs of those who cannot go to the supermarket because of the constraints like the time, distance. By visiting online supermarket, all the required groceries can be ordered, and it is similar to any other online shop wherein the customer has to log on the site and select the groceries that are required. The staff at supermarket pick the goods, pack and dispatch them to the customer's address. Some of the noteworthy sites for grocery supplies are as follows: JioMart, Amazon, Big Basket, Patanjali Ayurved. Online grocery shops have become very popular because of the following advantages. First one is discounts and savings. Online grocery shops or supermarkets give different discounts and offers, such as weekend offers or offers during festivals, compared to the conventional stores, which helps the customer to purchase the products at less cost. Customer need not travel to the shop, thus it saves the time and also the traveling expenses. Another benefit of online grocery shop is you get variety of products. Different brands of products are available on online stores, which becomes easy for the customer to select the products. Customer just has to log on to the site and select the required items. The products ordered by the customers are delivered to the address. It provides multiple ways to pay. Different online payment methods can be used for making the payment.